It's as close as a ribbon cutting we're gonna get. Welcome to the inaugural sailing of this ship. 13 months ago, I had the idea that I was gonna buy a retired U-Haul and convert it to an RV. All right, there's been many detours on this road. I'm at the U-Haul place. There's a white 10-foot box truck that's for sale. Here's what I wanna do. Find a 10-foot box truck and then work on it to restore it as an RV.
I don't know for how long I'll get to hold your hand, to be your guiding light in the darkest of nights. I will try to do my best until the day that I'll die. I won't lie, it's not going to be easy, but I'll try. Don't you worry, I'm not going anywhere. I will stay here, I will stay here. And as long as my heart beats like a drum, then I won't back down. No, I won't back down. I know that we will fight and be too proud to say the other one was right. And one day you will leave and start your own family. I will try to do my best until the day that I die. I won't lie, it's not going to be easy, but I'll try. Don't you worry, I'm not going anywhere. I will stay here, I will stay here. And as long as my heart beats like a drum, then I won't back down. No, I won't back down.
The end product of this ambition is me. It is me. I have learned all new skill sets, but I also feel beat up and broke. I'm not gonna lie. So the inaugural trip that I wanted to do, I actually can't be away that long. So we're gonna go one day, one night out. I went to the store for provisions. I probably bought more food if for any reason we do stay out. There's actually some complications that I don't want to talk about because it just feels negative. And this playlist has had its share of challenges, and I want this one to be just fun. Okay, I've absolutely packed a bag inside. Mr. Meatball knows something's up. But let's do a quick tour. Everything on this side of the U-Haul is all 12 volts. All of the above lighting, everything on this side, including the air conditioned 12 volt. What I'm gonna learn on this trip is if this runs all night long, can I make an egg in the morning? I don't know, we're gonna find out. The pendant is on a different switch to be able to control it. Over on this side, when you enter from, let's call this the sunroom, I have mission control, which is, I guess we can turn that on right now. Mission control will give me all solar readings, cabinetry, bathroom, etc., where all things will be. I've done shelves. This unit is not done. I'm making myself not bring tools on this trip. I don't want to work. I want to take notes how to make everything better. This latches. The sofa pulls out to a twin or a full. Secured, ready for use. So you're gonna eat, you're gonna work. Here's a table, an air vent for if you're cooking, for fresh air, or just to suck the bad air out. More information about the solar system. All remotes for... Oh, okay, wrong remote. Sorry. Okay, or this one. This button's very important because if you want to engage the 120, and when that is pressed, it then can power up the coffee, the air fryer, the cooktop, eventually the water heater, water pump. This didn't come with instructions. I have not done the water part. It is waiting for me to do it. So I have created the shower space with lovely skylight. But I haven't done that yet. This gets removed to do the guts. And then water tanks will be underneath. This light over here is not part of the 120. The cabinets have built-ins to keep everything from moving. Okay, keep everything from moving around. Let's begin the test run.
Don't you worry, I'm not going anywhere. I will stay. As long as my heart beats like a drum, then I won't back down. No, I won't back down.
Oh, that's what we want. Look at that. Thanks so much. Embarking on this journey with Meatball, my loyal dachshund, it fills me with immense joy. Yet there's a vulnerability in knowing that my work on this U-Haul RV directly affects his comfort and safety. Despite the challenges, I'm optimistic. Every mile is a new adventure, and together we'll navigate it with determination and hope. Let's put this in the refrigerator. Okay, let's put that in there. Tell me what you think about this. Woohoo! Oh my goodness. Who's having a big adventure? Number one, block the heat. So we'll go up here. Okay, let's go. Go back here. So again, I'm learning. Here's what I done. It might be a mistake. I'm parked underneath some trees. It's nice, right? Nice shade. Well, it also means the solar's not charging. Meatball and I are gonna have lunch back here. Engage this. As I prepare lunch using only off-grid power, it hits me that this is my first real camping experience. Solar charging 11, auxiliary battery no, total generated 77 kilowatts. For this inaugural trip, I don't really know what a lot of that means. You doing okay? However, the countless hours spent working on this truck in my driveway, powered by solar energy and cooled by air conditioning, it has been invaluable. Yet a storm is brewing and I can't shake the feeling. Whoa, all right. Looks pretty good. What do you think? This might be a true test of my setup's resilience. You don't get anything, huh? So the rules are, when done with the 110, turn it off. There you go. That's why we're here. We're in Hillsborough County through Harvest Host. We are at a kangaroo sanctuary. Power just went out. Yeah, the instruments will not let me get a reading. That means at 4:30 in the afternoon. We have no power. At the last minute, I grabbed this, so I'm thankful I brought a flashlight. Is it the rain? I have no idea. I have worked in here longer with the lights, with the air on, and not have this problem, but I've never been in the rain. I don't think that changes the amount that the battery charges. So, you know who doesn't like any of this? It's gonna be hot. No power on my phone. A concern? The refrigerator's gonna thaw out. And the kangaroo tour may or may not be called off because of the weather. I said we're taking out for a test drive. A test. Did we pass the test? As Patty Simcox said in Greece when the Rydell Ranger toilet paper mascot fell apart, this wasn't supposed to happen. It's 86 degrees in here. The battery charger has power. Blinking. So blinking in the book means slow flashing red, battery over discharged. So at this hour, Meatball and I have decided to pack up. The night is going to be hot and sticky, and the morning will have no food or coffee. And that was the whole point. This is not what I thought this test run was going to look like. You want to go home? Oh, okay. What's next is finding my way back to Orlando with no navigation. The fun don't stop and the hits keep coming. Meatball's whining. I know, Meatball. I know. Your daddy.